Hello everyone, I am Professor Nayan from Department of Information Technology, Parathibai Ganbamosi College of Engineering, Wagholi. So in the last session we have seen the activity diagram with one example. In this session we'll again cover more two examples of activity diagram, so you can get brief idea about the activity diagram. Again a little bit revision about the activity diagram. Here we can see the notations which are used under the activity diagram. The first notation is the solid box. Again, it is the initial state. Whenever you are drawing the activity diagram, your first step should be always a solid dot. The second is the action box. It is also called as activity. So wherever there are the number of activities or actions in a system, so that may be indicated or may be drawn by using this box, which is called as the activity. The next one is third, the diamond. Diamond is nothing but the decision. Whenever there are the multiple ways or alternative ways available, so we should use the diamond indicating the condition or the decision. And the last one is the final state, a solid dot over a circle, which is also called as the final state or stop state. Your activity diagram must be end with the final state. This is about the notations. Now let's see the components. Again, the activity, as I have already explained, the behavior of the overall system is divided into the number of actions or number of activity that we call as the activity, a box with a rounded circle. Then whenever the activity is considered, the control is always transferred from one activity to another. The next one is the activity partition. We can say the similar set of functionality is placed or grouped together, that is called as a partition or the swim lane. A single partition may have the multiple classes, they may have the use cases, may have the components or the interfaces. And if we are confusing in the partitions, if there are multiple partitions, then the name should be given at the topmost of the partition. Okay. So the next one is the fork. Fork is nothing but the number of the single incoming edge and number of outgoing edges. That is nothing but the 4. When there is a one incoming edge and the activity gives the number of outgoing edges, that is one activity is divided into the number of activity, that we called as a fork. And join is just opposite to fork, that is the number of incoming edges and single outgoing edge. The join always perform the logical and operations on the incoming edges. It helps you to synchronize the input flow to the particular single output flow. And the last one is the pins, that nothing indicate but the flow of the activity. Then we have seen this diagram in the last session, so I will directly move to the next diagram. Here we have another one diagram of the activity. So always activities start with the solid dot indicating with the arrow flow. The first is, this diagram is all about the order management. So the customer sends the order request. When the order request is confirmed for the receipt, then it will check whether the order is available or not. So here is the diamond box. Here are two activities. First activity is the customer sends the order request. Second activity is the order request system confirms the receipt of order, means the receipt which is placed by the customer is arrived at the order system. Next, if the order is available, then directly we can confirm the order and dispatch the order. But if the order is not available, suppose there is some special items which are ordered, so we have to check for that special items. If they are not available, we'll go to end step. If they are available, then we'll confirm the order and dispatch the system. Okay. So whenever take the example of medical system, whenever you are purchasing some medicines which are not in the medical, so what they do, they take your order and gives in a 2 days. Okay. Suppose there is some special items which are not available at the medical, then what they do, they take your order, supplies the order to the company and gives you within 1 or 2 days. It is the same like that. Whenever customers order something, the order receipt is taken for particular medical system. Suppose we are taking the medical example, then they will check for the which items are available, which items are not available. If all items are available, they will confirm your order and dispatch your order. If there are some special items which are not available in the medical, so what they will do, they will check for some special orders from a vendor. If it is available, then they will confirm you confirm and they will confirm the order and they will dispatch you. If there is not available, then we'll go to the end step. End step is also called as a termination step. And then again we have another one diagram. So we have talked about the partitions and swim lane. So you can see the partition here. Here is the activity diagram of the journal publication. Okay. So what is the role of author? So activity diagram again always start with the initial node, that is a solid dot. The author is the partition. Whichever activity is performed by the author is placed in one partition, and whichever activities are performed by the moderator is placed in another partition. Partition is named by a particular naming. Suppose the author performs a particular action, so we have named the partition as author, and the activities which are performed by the moderator, we have named that partition as a moderator. So activities start with always the solid box. There are the number of 5 activity in this particular diagram. The first activity is the open article. Second is the publish article. These two activities are done by the author. Okay. Now when it goes to the moderator, he will moderate the article. Okay. If it is good to go, then he will set a status and publish the article. If no, then he notify the rejection and will end the state. Again there is a decision box, we can say here. The control flows from two ways, if yes or no. And if the article is good enough to publish, then they will go to the publishment state and will end the node, will end the process. So this is the final node. You can see the partition example here with two different partition, one author and one moderator. Okay, I hope these things have been understood by you. If you have any query, you can comment in comment box, or whenever we are having a Zoom session, you can ask me there. So thank you.